Hello everyone, welcome to our IELTS speaking videos. In this video, we will discuss about a common IELTS speaking topic. It's all about morning. First question, do you usually do the same things in the morning? Answer, as I am a creature of habit, I would say yes. I always get up at 6 a.m. have noodles and tea for breakfast, brush my teeth, then brush up on what we learned the day before in class to make sure I am well prepared. After all of this, I start heading to class at 8:30 a.m. However, on weekends, I tend to hit the snooze button and end up sleeping till 9 a.m. Then start my day. Now next question is, do you think breakfast is important? Absolutely. My many experts state that it is the most important meal of the day. I believe it gives me the fuel I need to tackle my day. Moreover, I think it's critical to have a balanced breakfast to make sure I get all the proper nutrients. I can't imagine starting my day on empty stomach. Next question is, did you do the same morning routines in your earlier? Yes, pretty much. As I have always been a scholarly person, I have always had the motivation to get myself up earlier than expected to have a balanced breakfast and prepare myself for the day ahead of me. However, I used to have more of a sweet tooth as a child, so I used to munch on some sweet bread instead of noodles. And then the next one is, do you want to change your daily routines in the future? I think it's inevitable since I will soon be joining the workforce. I want to keep my organized, prepared habits, but I hope to see in a bit more in the future. I would like to at least sleep 30 minutes to an hour later and not have to spend as much time preparing for my day. Furthermore, I hope to have my own car instead of taking a Grab every morning. So that's it for today. In my next video, I will discuss about another most important topic for IELTS Speaking Part 1. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.